Autumn is coming. The rice has turned golden. The golden rice has become white rice after being processed. Let's harvest the rice. Start the harvester and harvest the rice. Roar, roar! Dry the rice quickly. Let's dry the rice. Good job! The rice are dried. Next, let's process the rice. There are many impurities in the rice. Remember to remove them before processing the rice. The golden rice has become white rice after being processed by the machine. Wow! That's a lot of rice! The rice harvest is incredibly hard work. We should cherish the food. Make pumpkin pie. Pumpkins ripen in autumn. Pumpkins are sweet and tasty, and pumpkin pies are yummy desserts. Let's give it a try. Pumpkin pulp is not edible. Remember to peel off the hard pumpkin skin. Cut the pumpkin into small pieces so it's easier to cook. A few more ingredients are needed to make the pumpkin pie. Whipping cream, sugar, eggs. Stir it, and the pumpkin pie filling is ready. Put the pumpkin pie crust in the mold. Sprinkle with fragrant seasoning to make it more delicious. Wow! This is the best pumpkin pie I've ever had!